Hello happy people, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Krabes Major, and if this is not your first time, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress theme and also WordPress plugin. I'm going to show you how to install both a free theme and also a premium theme, the theme that you might have bought from Theme Forest or anywhere else. So without any further waste of time, let us get into it. To install your WordPress theme, you need to go to Appearances and you go under Theme, and you can see that WordPress comes with a default theme. You have 3 themes, and to install a new theme that is already found on WordPress, you just click on Add New, and then on the top right corner here you can set your theme, but my favorite and the most popular theme is Astra, so I'll install Astra. We just installed our theme, so let's go back to themes. So right here you can see that we have theme, and the active theme is 2023. Let us view this website, and this is how 2023 theme look like. The function of the theme is to affect the look and the feel of your website. So right now I'm going to activate this, and you are going to see a difference in the feel and the look of your site. So I'll activate this, and then now Astra is active, so we can go back to our site and reload, and there we go. You can see that now Astra looks different and also it feels different. So right now I'm going to show you how to install a premium theme that you might have bought from elsewhere. To install a premium theme that is not available on WordPress, you need to do the following. You go to Add Theme, you go to Add New. Instead of searching, you have to upload the theme. So we'll upload a new theme, and then here we'll choose a file. So I have a theme which is premium, so it's this one. I'm going to select that, and then you install. So now we can activate this theme, and then it's going to affect the look and the feel of our site. And then since it's a premium theme, we'll have to enter a purchase code. And then now let us reload this. Now you can see that our website look and feel has changed. So that's how you upload your theme on WordPress, whether it's a free theme or a premium theme. And this very same step you apply with your plugin. So let us go to plugin, and then you add new. For a free plugin you can search. So in this case I'm going to install Classic Editor, and then you can activate it from here, or you can go to install plugins. Under install plugin, WordPress came with 2 themes, which is this one and this one. So we just install a Classic Editor, and to activate it you can click on activate. So in that way we just activated our Classic Editor theme. So the function of a plugin is to affect your website functionality. I'm going to show you how Classic Editor has affected the functionality of our website. So now if we go to post, and then you add new post, so I'll right click and open it on the new tab and drag it here. This is how you add your post. You put your post title and the content. This is Classic Editor, but if we go back and deactivate Classic Editor, and then we go back to the same screen, and then now we refresh, now you can see that the functionality of our site has changed, and that is because of Classic Editor. So now I'm going to show you how to install a premium plugin that is not found on WordPress. And to do that, you just add new. Instead of searching, you upload, and then you choose a file. I've got a plugin called Advanced Custom Field, and then I'll add Advanced Custom Field, and then now this plugin is going to take its position here on our far left, and then I'll install this. If I activate this, on my far left you can see that we have ACF, which stands for Advanced Custom Field. So that's how you install your theme and plugin. And if you find this video helpful, please make sure that you like, you comment, and subscribe.